Hello, welcome to the first ever virtual open house at Chisholm Trail Middle School. My name is Carrie Visger, and I teach sixth grade social studies. In sixth grade, we call that world cultures. And I'm going to talk you through a few things that might be helpful for you as parents. The first thing is Schoology. Let's take a look at Schoology. I'll use first period as an example. I have on my Schoology pages a week's agenda. This will tell you what we're doing this week, the areas where we are focusing. I try to highlight if the kids are going to need earbuds or headphones. I recommend they bring them every day just in case we have free time. And it will also tell you if things are due. Let's look down at that. I organize my files by week. So for example, today is September 2nd. We have everything in here that we've done so far this week. If something says an assignment, that usually means I'm going to take a grade on it, or I will specify these are for a grade. If you are curious about your students' grades, over here on the left, my Schoology says grade book, but your students' account will say grade. They can always click on that to see if they have anything missing or if they forgot to turn something in. So that's Schoology for us in social studies. I'd also like to show you my web page. If you notice here on my Schoology account, I do have a link to my web page. I have a link to my Gmail account, and I have your students' daily bell schedule linked here as well. From the Chisholm Trail directory web page, you would simply click Social Studies. When we get to the Social Studies page, you will go all the way down to the bottom. My last name is Visger, so I'm the last one alphabetically. Click on Visit My Website. And here's my website. So the information that would probably be most helpful for you, again, I've got the bell schedule. Our school expectations are there in case you're wondering what they are. Here are some tutoring times for me. I am available in the mornings. I get here about 7. I can start tutoring around 7:20, and the bell rings at 8:14, so that's morning. And also after schools on Tuesdays, 3:45 to 4:30. Students must either have a ride or be able to walk home because we don't have buses at this point. The other thing that is super important for you to know is my contact information, which is located under the tab Contact Information. And here you will see my schedule for the day. I have 2 periods available if we wanted to talk or have a conference, 10:45 to 11:30 and 1:50 to 2:40. Those would have to be arranged ahead of time because I usually have meetings in those time frames. So if we wanted to conference or whatever, we'd set it up and I would not have the meeting. My phone extension is here. I will let you know that my phone is on the opposite side of the classroom and I don't answer it when I'm in class. So you could leave a message, or the best way to contact me is through my email. I can check my email throughout the day and respond quite a bit faster. So that's the gist of my information, the gist of how you can find me or contact me. And so far it's a great year. I'm excited. We actually are learning a lot, and we're able to do a lot of things that we couldn't do last year. So super exciting. It's just going to continue to be great. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me, and I look forward to meeting y'all at some point this year. Have a good night.